Look, it's gonna climb all the way up.
Dude.
Maya, look, it's gonna climb all the way up. Wow.
Vipi, unaweza? Naweza kujaribu kidogo.
Mimi naweza. Naweza. Tafika katikati na niende.
About how tall is this tree? About how tall is this?
Maya, hapana.
Maya, don't even think
Embu
about
toka.
it. Come out of there.
Uncle Derek said, if you fall, you die or break it.
Oh, you break some few rib. Look, it's up already. Oh my gosh. Hi, say hi, Maya.
I want to take a picture.
Wow. Wow. That is awesome. Super awesome. You know, like without any, yeah, as in the tree branches. I can do the tree branches, but this one. Wow, Maya, say hello.
The wooden tree.
Wait, listen, wait.
How high up?
Look, Maya, usiangushe. Maya, usimove. Look, it's gonna drop a coconut. Tunataka coconut tuone bwana. Iko wapi coconut? Iko na moja. Sisi iko kule mbele. Uko juu. Toto moja. Wakati. Tutakuja. Maya, move out the way. Wow.
He's not throwing another one.
I'll get it.
Wow, that is a long tree. Who needs a gym, eh? Who needs a gym and you can climb a coconut tree all day long? Wow. Yetu hakuna matata. Buni. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Wow. That's just amazing.
About how high?
Matata. Hey, take a bow. Hey, clap for him. Clap for him. Round of applause, come on. Wow.